Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Adhay. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And today's video, as you guys can see or can guess, I am going to show you guys how I achieve this hairstyle. Many of you requested this from one of my lash videos, and I'll make sure I'll link down below so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You guys wanted a hair tutorial of my hair on that video, so here I am. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to achieve this hairstyle. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, if you're interested in this hairstyle, then I suggest you guys to keep on watching. I'm here. You guys wanted to see that hairstyle, and I'm gonna show it to you guys how I achieve that hairstyle on myself. You're going to need an 1.5 inch curler, hairspray, and dry shampoo. This is actually a day-old hair, so it's getting a little oily on the roots, especially with this weather. So what I like to do is I like to use my dry shampoo. I will look down here because I have my mirror here, and spray. And then do this. Right here. Now what I'm gonna do is part my hair down the middle. I'm gonna brush it through. The way that I'm gonna start this hairstyle is the way that I start most of my hairstyles, but usually one step or two change in order to change the hairstyle. And in this case, it's gonna be, I think, one step that will change. After I have split my hair in half, I like to part my hair from the crown down to the back of my ear, both sides. The important part here is sectioning. I don't want to do small sections with this specific hairstyle. You want to go and do about inch and a half sections, starting at the very end. Midway down my hair, I'm going to grab my hair and start twisting away from my face. Simple. Again, sectioning the hair into 1.5 inch. Away. Hot. Hold it together for a couple seconds. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Okay, put it to the back, and we continue the same step all through the hair. It's important to hold it on this section for some seconds before you keep gliding the entire hair through the iron. Hold it. Before I finish this section, I want to start on the other side. I just want to have a nice balance between curls. I don't want to have this one loose at the end and then this one super tight. I want to have a balance. Curl away from my face. Hold it on this position for a couple seconds, and then scroll it. Did I really just say scroll it? I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera, and I'll be right back. I am all done with the back of my hair. Now I'm gonna do the front. So this is what we have in the back, and now the front part. So the front, again, we're gonna grab big chunks of hair, about an inch and a half. We're just gonna repeat the same way that we did for the back of my head. Get it out, hold it. I know I'm due for a touch-up, but with this going on, not able to, but hopefully very soon. A lot of you guys always ask me in my videos, who does my hair? What color is my hair? I don't know what color is my hair. I just know that this is how light we got it to be, and this is how I liked it. So we've been keeping it up throughout the years with my hairstylist. She's been my hairstylist for a long time now. Hairdresser, hairstylist. I don't even know how you would properly call her. So hopefully after this quarantine, we are able to schedule an appointment and she lets us record a little bit. So let me know if you would be interested in that video. Let me know down below if it would be something that you would want to see. And of course, if my hairdresser feels comfortable with filming here and there the process. Okay, let it chill just like that. Let's do the other side. Section it off. Away. So I'm done curling my hair. Now that it has fully cooled off, what I like to do, this is the simplest step ever, is grab my comb, paddle brush, whatever you want to call it. You grab it, you put the hair towards the front, and this is what we have. And then what I like to do is just do this. That's all. That is all. Comb it until it has the desired wave that I'm looking for. I'm not using hairspray yet. All I'm doing is brushing it and getting it to that wave, like I said, that I want. As you can see, this one is pretty much almost done. This one's being a little bit stubborn, especially this part here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl it once again to the desired direction that I want it to be. There. This takes patience. It is an easy step, but it takes patience to get it to that nice wave. Once I'm reaching the desired wave that I want, what I will do is I will grab some hairspray, and I'm gonna have my comb ready to brush these little flyaways down. So this is what's gonna give you that smooth, silky finish. I'm only using the tail of my comb. Same with this side. This one's more frizzier than this side. So I'm gonna grab it and press those hairs down. Just like that, you get this hairstyle, easy peasy, couple steps, just consistency, and you have it. If you do have thin hair, I suggest you adding spray in between, not this one, but movable spray, hairspray, to your hair strands before you curl. That will help them maintain it like this. After spraying hairspray, I tame down my little fuzzy hairs are all over. That is what makes the effortless wave look shiny and smooth, because if I were to do that step, I'll have frizzy hair everywhere. Therefore, I did it, and I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, it would mean a lot if you give this video a thumbs up, and also if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, press that notification bell in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Adios.